The torsion spring is part of your miter saw's lower blade guard assembly. The spring applies tension to retract the guard back over the blade after a cut. After years of use, the torsion spring can fail, usually breaking. Replacing the torsion spring is a repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how.
Hi, I'm Mark Socha.
Do-it-yourself repairs like these are easier than you might think. From lawn machines to cordless drills, kitchen mixers,
Outdoor grills.
our how-to videos walk you through each repair from start to finish. So doing it yourself means never having to do it alone.
Let's get started.
I'll begin by removing the guard assembly from the saw. Now remove the center bolt that secures the guard assembly. With the bolt removed, I can pull the rear portion of the assembly away from the clear guard. Now I can install the new tension spring. I'll place the lower leg of the spring against this tab on the plate. Now I'll install this assembly back onto the guard. You'll notice on the guard that there's 4 tabs. One of the tabs is larger than the other 3. I'll align that tab with the larger hole on the plate. As I align the guard with the plate, I need to make sure that the opposite leg on the spring aligns with the tab on the side of the guard. That looks good, and now I can secure it with the screw and washer. And now this assembly is ready to go back onto the saw. Place the guard over the blade. I'll line the plate with the opening for the screw. And then secure the other side of the plate with the bolt. And now you know how to replace the torsion spring on your miter saw. Be sure to check back often for new videos and expert advice. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up
And leave a comment.